Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to upgrade or renew your Spotify subscription but keep getting that frustrating payment failed message, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step, and get your account working again. Stick with me, because one of these solutions is almost guaranteed to solve the issue. Let's jump right in. The first and most effective fix is refreshing your Spotify app through your phone settings, not just closing and reopening it, but forcing it to reinstall with the latest version. Simply close Spotify, head over to your settings, then scroll down and tap General. From there, open Storage and give it a moment to load all your apps. Once everything appears, use the search bar at the top, type Spotify, and tap on the app. Now choose Offload App, confirm it, and then tap Reinstall App. This won't log you out. It simply forces Spotify to update itself cleanly. After it finishes reinstalling, open Spotify again and try your payment one more time. For a lot of people, including myself, this alone fixes the issue immediately. But if the problem continues, here are a few more things you must double check. First, look over your payment method inside Spotify. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are all typed correctly. It's easier than you think to mistype a number, and Spotify will decline the payment automatically if anything doesn't match. Next, ensure that your card actually has enough funds or available balance. Even small renewals can fail if the account is low. Also check that your card hasn't expired. Many people overlook this. The card may have just expired recently and you'll need a new one before the payment can go through. And finally, if you're using a debit or credit card, make sure your bank isn't blocking international or online transactions. Sometimes banks auto-block subscription payments for security reasons, and a quick check or approval in your banking app fixes it instantly. Try these steps in order, and in most cases, Spotify payments start working right away. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech guides. Good luck with your Spotify subscription, and I'll see you in the next video.